And this is the airspeed.
Okay.
It's in knots.
Okay.
So we will fly around 130 to 120 knots. That's 200 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
And this is the turn coordinator. Shows how if we turn or if we're correct in the air. This is the artificial horizon. It gives you the how you are in the air compared to the ground.
Okay.
And this shows how much we go up and down.
Okay.
And here you have the radio, and here is the transponder which gives the flight control our position. So, and here we have a fuel pump for the fuel. This is the RPMs for the motor. And another altimeter, so we have two altimeters, one here and one here. And these are the controls, up, down, to turn the wings, left or right. And this is the gas, and this is the mixture.
Okay, mixture for?
That's when we fly high, the air fuel mixture changes, so we have to adjust it if we go high. Now we fly so low that it's not really necessary.
Okay.
But it's also used to turn off the engine.
Okay.
So, ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready to take off.
Yeah.
I just. Oh.
Ah.
It's fine.
No.